Don Dada to the line, Don Dada to the line, Don Dada, Don Dada.
I dey hear say you dey follow Jennifer now. Oh boy, you get mind though. You know here say that Jennifer, if guy no sabi do well, if he no strong, the girl she no dey follow that kind of person. No.
See, like producer. Now all these kind of things, now they make me dey vex. All these kind of things, now they make my blood dey rise anyhow. See, I feel well to turn down the way I dey vex. Oh boy, calm down, guy. Which kind talk be that one? See, say you don't know me again. Say you don't know me, bros. Make you go ask about me. Now, woman matter, guy. I was born for it. See this guy. Oh boy. See, Jennifer no reach. You don't understand me? Jennifer no reach. If I handle her, bros, I swear to God, that girl go turn cripple. See this guy, sha. Oh, but forget to. Now me they call mass destruction. And me carry the weapon of mass destruction, bros.
Dada, just you know be this your mouth where you always they make. Don't go put yourself for trouble. You know here say that guy, the last guy where she be there with in a hospital now and go wake up. Be careful.
See this guy, sha. Like this, now she I dey wait for. You know understand? I dey wait for her. Make she come. Make we follow from here. They go for my house. Oh, but make I go show her the power of Don Dada.
You say you no strong, you better leave that girl. Just go kill yourself on top bed.
Oh, mama. Oh boy, calm down. See, in fact, you don't provoke me. See as it go be. I dey come. Make I track one of my. You know now.
No wahala.
When I come back, you go know how far.
No wahala, go where you want go. You get yourself. Oh. Me no bless I no talk. I don't talk my own already.
Correct, guy.
Continue.
Correct, guy. I don't chew.
Jesus is Lord.
Dada. Don.
What is this now?
Oh my God.
Hold on. Correct, guy. Say you dey open your mouth anyhow.
But you want keep person picky?
I don't go collect and come. Over like this now, when I hold that girl,
Don Dada.
the body go tell her.
Now
Continue.
wow. No be small weapon of mass destruction you be.
Correct, guy. You never see anything.
Oh, man, no
Oh
deal.
my God.
This year go hear what today. Her body go tell her. Correct, guy. Oh boy, get on the take too much time. Make I call her. Make I know how far. This guy he done they disturb me.
Guy.
Correct, guy.
Now wow.
Hello, Jennifer, how far now?
Don, what's up?
Hi, baby.
I do.
I don't dey wait for you since now. Wetin dey happen? We suppose don, you know that our arrangement na how far?
Don, I beg, no vex. So something serious just happened now. Like this, self, na travel at this.
Babe. Jennifer, calm down first. I beg, talk small. Make I hear you well. I beg, I dey beg you.
I dey go for my grandma burial. Like
Jesus
this.
is
I
Lord.
been don't forget seeing that place.
Babe, which kind talk be that one now?
I beg, no
Which
vex.
kind talk be that one now? Babe, you know what I dey go through for here, babe. You no even understand wetin dey happen, oh babe. You no understand. I beg. See, if you just cancel that journey, cancel that journey. Tell them me they postpone that burial. I beg. I dey beg you,
Don, no worry.
babe.
Next week I will come back. Just feel small.
Yeah, wait, you make I do now.
Now just 7
Hey,
days
man.
now.
Okay. See, no wahala. That your senior sister, Alpha, tell her me she can't replace you, I beg.
Jesus is
Don
Lord.
Dada.
Grace, the worry.
Don Dada to the line, Don Dada.
See, my brother, as you watch that video, you know like you know like oh yeah, click the like button, the thumbs up, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Correct, guy. Don Dada say so.
Don Dada to the line, Don Dada.